Hey, what's going on, Bee Nation? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. Let me just correct the camera there. So today I'm going to make a mucus eliminating juice. And you'll see this in a lot of my videos, but we're gonna up it today and really get a lot of mucus out. And these are my top favorites for pulling any type of a mucus, any type of acidity out of the body. And this is going like top notch. So for those of you that don't want that much of a pull on your lymphatic system, you may just want to keep doing your thing. But for really pulling acids out of the body from the lymphatic system, these are the pullers. So people may ask, what are the acids? How do you get mucus in the body? Well, a lot of it could be a lot of it is the diet and what chemistry you're putting in your body every single day. And as well as the air that you breathe, what you put on your skin, stuff like that. One of the main mucus formers is pasteurized dairy. So, we're talking about cheese, the cooked milks, the yogurts, all that stuff, very mucus forming in the body, very acidic. And as well as, some of the white grains out there, like white flours and stuff, very acidic on the body. So I'll talk more about the acidic foods. We'll do a separate video on that. But for now, I just want to talk about how do we pull out these acids. So what I got here is 2 grapefruits. We got 6 oranges and 2 lemons. And of course, you can do a lot more of these combinations. You can add more grapefruit, add more oranges, or add more lemons to your liking, but I find this is like a good combination here. And we're gonna make the juice. Right behind there, I got some Heal All tea. Super good. So here we go, almost 2 liters of pure gold. Alright guys, so this is what it's all about. It's all about cleaning the lymphatic system and releasing obstructions to the flow of energy. How to do that is with lots of oranges, grapefruit, fruit. Grapes, that's where it's at, you guys. Try this out right now. Seriously, so good. Mucus can come out through your nose, through your mouth, through your eyes, through your ears, through your belly button. For most people, it's usually through the stools first, through the vagina, and it's just really just push. The body will eliminate mucus any way that it can, and when you give it these fresh fruits and vegetables, that's going to help take this mucus out. So if you got a cold and you say you want to keep that cold going longer, you want to lock that mucus in, all you have to do is drink some milk, and that'll make the cold way worse. I've done it myself in the past, and it's not good. So cheers to you guys. Hope you're having a fabulous day. And as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some fruits and vegetables today. Cheers.